In the Weather Maps lab, you're going to be making your own weather map by going to this link. This is through Weather Underground. This is their Wundermap feature. So to open it up, all you do is click on the link in the Google Doc, and it'll take you right to the website. And it'll look something like this. First thing you want to do is zoom out on this map so that you can see all of the United States. Drag it over so it's somewhere in the middle. Make sure you can see both the oceans as well. Now, if you look to the right, you will see these buttons. We're going to use the top one, Layers. Oh, also, there's probably going to be an ad that pops up. You can close that out. Okay, the layers are going to let us make our weather map. When it pops up, probably the first thing you will see are these station models that show temperature and wind. You can change those to show just temperature, dew point or relative humidity, how much precipitation has fallen. If you turn those off, like so, scroll down, you'll see some of the other layers that we're going to use. There's one for radar. This is Doppler radar. This is showing us where the precipitation is currently falling. There's a satellite image that gets superimposed over our map and shows us cloud cover. We're going to add some fronts in. Just click on the fronts box. And there they are. These are changing all the time, by the way. And notice we also have high and low pressure centers there. We can add in the wind. This one's kind of neat. And there are a lot of other layers in here as well. Feel free to play around with these. But when you get into the lab, it asks you to turn on or turn off certain layers, this is where you're going to look. If you need any help with this lab or have any other questions, feel free to send me an email and I'll help you out.